ONErpm for musicians' honest review. Watch before using. If you're a musician looking to distribute your music globally while retaining creative control, ONErpm might seem like a dream platform. But is it really the right choice for you? Let's break it down. ONErpm is a music distribution and marketing platform designed for independent artists, labels, and managers who want to maintain ownership of their work. It offers features like free distribution to major streaming platforms, YouTube monetization, advanced analytics, and optional marketing services. The platform also provides a unique revenue-sharing model, making it ideal for artists at different career stages. One of ONErpm's standout features is its flexibility. You can choose between free distribution or upgrading to paid services for added perks like playlist pitching and promotional campaigns. Unlike many competitors, ONErpm doesn't charge up front for free tier users, taking a cut of royalties instead. This makes it a great option if you're just starting and want to avoid upfront costs. Additionally, the YouTube multi-channel network integration helps artists monetize and manage their video content effectively, a significant advantage if you're leveraging visuals to grow your audience. However, it's important to know that ONErpm isn't as simple as a set-it-and-forget-it platform. While it gives you tools to succeed, you'll need to actively manage your releases and take advantage of their features to see results. Some users report slow customer service response times, which can be frustrating when you need quick support for issues like payout delays or content disputes. Also, their advanced marketing tools are not included in the free plan, so you'll need to invest in upgrades to access them fully. In short, ONErpm works best for independent musicians who are proactive about their careers and want flexibility in their distribution. If you're looking for a completely hands-off experience or expecting instant results without effort, this may not be the platform for you. But for those willing to dig into its features, it can be a powerful tool to expand your reach and earnings without sacrificing ownership of your work. Before signing up, weigh the pros and cons carefully. For serious musicians who want control, analytics, and scalable services, ONErpm is worth considering. Just ensure you're prepared to put in the effort to maximize its potential. That's it for this review. If you found it helpful, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.